Hey y'all, Jeremy from McBee's Compass here. I just wanted to spend some time with you and share some of my tricks to beat the heat when you go to Orlando. Let's get started here. My last trip to Disney World, I decided, hey, I'm going to run an experiment here and report back my findings on what kind of shirts are going to be what I felt to be the best shirts to wear during the hottest and most humid times in Orlando. I'm going to share that with you. I didn't spend a whole lot of money on these shirts. I actually do all this on a budget, and I'll share where I bought these shirts and what the price was on these shirts. So today, what I wore was an active shirt. Got it from Old Navy, and my review on it was shirt worked pretty well. Wasn't too hot out there. There is no collar. I didn't get too hot in it. It didn't stick to me, which was nice. It was breathable, and so far a lot better than a t-shirt. Day one down, and tomorrow I think we're going to go with a 100% cotton t-shirt, and I'll let you know how that worked out. All right, talk to you in a bit. As I said earlier, I was going to wear a t-shirt for Animal Kingdom. Let you know how that goes. Well, take a look. This is how it's going. I am drenched. Water rings everywhere from sweating. T-shirts, not really the way you go unless you don't mind showing all your sweat. Day 3, different shirt. Yesterday, I was over at Animal Kingdom, and I'll probably post some of the pictures that we took. It was kind of embarrassing. I had these sweat rings all down the front where my backpack straps were. I personally don't like that feeling and that look. If you don't as well, I would recommend do not go with a cotton-based shirt during the summer here in Orlando. I'm wearing as you can see, a collared golf shirt. Again, it's an activity shirt, so it has that polyester blend in it. It's designed to obviously keep you cooler, wick the sweat away. It doesn't absorb the sweat. I gotta say, so far, this has been my favorite shirt. The collar has been kind of nice, and I thought, okay, the heat, the collar, it's going to be annoying on my neck. My neck's going to be all sweaty. It's been kind of nice because the sun, last 3 days, when it touches your skin, it's like Texas, y'all. It burns. It's nice having the collar. It kind of protects your neck a little bit. If the sun's really bad, you can flip that collar up and keep the sun off your neck, which actually has been keeping me a little bit cooler. The shirt itself has been nice. It's cooler. And honestly, like when you go inside to an air-conditioned area, you cool down like immediately. All right, y'all, so here's my review of the long-sleeved sun shirt. This one is a real-life Sam's Club special. But overall, shirt works out pretty good in the heat. It does keep the sun off your skin, so when it's bright sun time, like, early afternoon, you don't get the baking sun on your skin. The one thing I did find was in the shaded areas, took a little bit longer to cool down because you don't have the air touching your arms. But I would say this is a good shirt to wear. Maybe you do like this in the morning and, take your break and come back in the evening and go over to a short sleeve shirt during the evening. But so far, my favorite 2 shirts to wear has been the golf shirt, the active shirt, and the sun shirt's not bad. Well, I hope you enjoyed my tips and tricks on how to stay cool. I hope these tricks help you the way they've helped me over all the years of going. I finally found shirts that I know I'm going to be comfortable in throughout the day. They pack down really well. They don't wrinkle, which is nice. Stay away from the cotton. Go to the dry fit or the polyester shirts. I think you'll find your stay during the summer much more enjoyable. If you like this content, please make sure like and subscribe, and also follow McBee Compass on Instagram. If there's any other shirt or challenge you would like to see me do, please feel free, drop it in the comments, message us on Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to give them a try my next visit out to Orlando, Florida in Disney World.